Morning everyone, so I'm going to be bringing back this raw footage of vlogging my trades, my day-to-day life, and some of the lifestyle as well. Not sort of like, you know, this sort of flashy shit. I'm talking about real life me. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and obviously hit that subscribe button. So it's a good morning from me and Ghost.
You're gonna say good morning to the world. Oh, God, you're not even up yet, are you, huh? Big wolf. Hey, big wolf. Morning, Ghost. Whoa.
So it's 10 a.m. Let's go through and review some of the trades that I've been in. At the moment, I'm weighing up the fact that US equities is way higher than where we were previous to COVID. I think the S&P is still up about 35–40% from where we were before COVID. So it's crazy to think that we're above pre-COVID levels by that sort of percentage, whereas the FTSE is actually still down 10%. From pre-COVID. So I'm favouring European equities, such as the DAX and the FTSE. So let's run through some of those trades and show you exactly what I'm in. With the S&P falling, I've closed out of my buys. I think the S&P is now going to move to the upside. So basically, you can see that I've closed my VIX buys. I'm now shorting. Small profit, you can see there, 300 quid or whatever. Coming out of there, you can see that we've been long-term trading on these positions here, which is the FTSE we're looking at. I literally put a pending buy on the previous low when the sell-off was happening. Just like I said, looking at it long-term, we're still below pre-COVID levels, so I think it's going to be quite effective for us to be able to ride this to the upside. We're also in the DAX, and you can see the P&L there from these two trades, currently sat at 3.75k, which is a nice position to be in. And DAX is very similar. Obviously, the DAX went from the DAX 30 to the DAX 40, and that was this, you know, major drop down on the rebalancing, and then you can see the rally now moving back to the upside. So we'll keep you updated with how these positions are going. That's 3.7k, which is roughly 3.7% on my initial balance, which was 100,000. It's now 122. Equity at 126. Happy days. Just got here down to Portsmouth, going sailing tomorrow with some friends. So I mean, I suppose let's have a look around the room. It's nothing special. Well, it's nothing special really. Got a bathroom here. Well, I suppose we've got a bit of a front room. I said just here for the night, so just booked whatever. Got your bathroom, got your bath, and got another place for a shower. So I suppose it's a pretty big bathroom actually. Storage cupboard that you can't see. Storage cupboard. Got a little mini front room. And then got a bedroom. So we've got a work desk. Got another TV. And got a bed. So that's it really. Just going out. Sailing. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. The last time I was down in the Solent was when I swam it, so it'd be interesting to be on a boat this time rather than in the water. So yeah, all good. Markets are moving insane. Show you an update on some of my trades as well in a bit. Past the 4 grand mark now on the FTSE and the DAX long. gorgeous trade. Gonna go out for some dinner now with Big A. Go down to Port Solent, see what's down there, and go explore for a bit. It's over for me until a bit more of an update. I don't know, it looks like... What is that? It's literally just in the port. How mental.
That's right, yeah, because all food gets dropped over the side. There's their dinner.
There's dinner there, we're going to catch the bastards. So we're out at Port Solent. Me and Big A going out boating tomorrow. Got no idea which one we're on. We'll find out tomorrow. Time to go get some nice grub though, that's for sure. So look at that weather, lovely. So good morning, we are up, getting ready to go sailing now. Stuffed my face with some waffles. The Fed interest rate last night was amazing. Some are actually expecting it to be that they're not actually going to raise interest rates now until the beginning of 2022, which is obviously a massive plus. So the markets are seeing this as a great bonus, and we're seeing the DAX and FTSE continue to move higher, which makes our position do so much better. So well over £4,000 profit now across both of them, and I'm going out sailing today, and I expect that to carry on moving higher throughout the day. So I'll be sure to update you with how the position is going, and obviously how the sailing's going. Going to be a good day sailing and making money. Okay, so you can see I've opened up the Vantage FX trading app. As you can hear, probably you can hear a bit of the water splashing around in the background out on the boat, and so don't worry about that. But yeah, we're testing out the Vantage FX app whilst I'm out sailing. I started the account with $2,000, currently up $100 on the app. You can see I've got some trades here open on the DAX and on the FTSE. See, the DAX here is up roughly 2%, just under 2% on that trade there. We've got the FTSE that's up roughly 3% as well. So just looking through that DAX position now, you can see here through their app, lays it out in a nice format for us to be able to open and close the positions quite nicely. So we're just going to close those positions out now, and it's quite straightforward. We just click the X button on the trades. There you go. First one closed. Second one closed. Third one closed. And the final one, we'll close that now. There we go. So you can see that we're up $142 just testing out the app. It's quite straightforward, just opening and closing them. Now back to the sailing. Just coming back in now. Pull the sail down. It's getting a bit cloudy. Good out there. Going back in now. Pretty cool. Sail down. Time to bring it in. What a day. The markets have been moving nice. Going to head back to the office and let you know what the positions are like. Keeping an eye on them on my phone. Overall, good day. So we've
had DAX literally reject just above where my target was, which is frustrating, and now selling off. So what I'm going to do is, if we look at FTSE, we're going to look to close these two positions out for profit of 4,000. So close those out. Such a shame there they didn't hit the take profit, but it is how it is. Updated balance is now 126,500, so that's 26.5% gain. Really, really nice. Lovely, lovely. And we have now closed out our shorts on the VIX as well, banking a nice £625. So all in all, it's a 4.8k from pretty much just trading the VIX, the DAX and the FTSE this week. Absolutely lovely trades there on the VIX as well, coming back up to the upside. And then we've obviously got the DAX as well. Happy, happy days.
So guys, as you have seen, I've been putting it to the test. That's Vantage FX's trading app. It's really useful whilst I'm out and about trading. Been trying it out whilst I went sailing. Open and closing trade seems to be super easy. It's a really cool app. So guys, if you want to go check them out, go download the app from Vantage FX. Really, really cool. I definitely suggest having a look and checking it out. Quite easy to open and close trades. If you're enjoying this content, guys, and you're welcoming back the vlogs, which is a bit more realistic of what I'm doing on a day in, day out basis. Obviously it's me filming it, so you've got a shaky camera, but if you're enjoying it, thumbs it up and obviously comment. I do read all of the comments, take on board all the feedback as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next vlog.